So now we're talking about parallel and perpendicular lines. And so here the problem says write an equation for the line and point slope form and slope intercept form. And we have a line L that is parallel to y equals 5x. And so here, again, when we're writing a line, we go back to our bread and butter formula, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And our two steps. One, we need x1. Well, x1 looks like it's 2. It's the x coordinate of the point given, and y1 is negative 2. The step 2 is to find the slope. And so here we need to know it's the same as the slope of y equals 5x, since the lines are parallel. So when lines are parallel, the slopes are the same. So when lines are parallel, the slopes are the same. Well, the slope of y equals 5x is 5. And so the slope we want, if the line is parallel, is also 5. And then we're off to work. It's y minus negative 2 equals 5 times x minus 2. Y minus negative 2 is y plus 2 equals 5 times x minus 2. Y plus 2. Oh no, I'm sorry. Going way too fast. That is the answer to the first part. So that goes in this box here. Let's put that in now. Y plus 2 equals 5 times x minus 2. I put that right. Let's just make sure I put that. Yeah, okay. And so we'll answer that, right? And then we'll solve for y to put it into a slope intercept form. And now solve for y. Y plus 2 equals, distribute the 5. 5x minus 5 times 2 is 10. We'll add 2 to both, we'll subtract 2 to both sides. Y equals 5x minus 12. That's the answer to part B. We'll put that in. The final remark will be what happens when they're perpendicular. And so when they're perpendicular, again, we're still looking for a line. And so nothing has changed in terms of our method of operation. And it's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Here in this case, x1 is negative 2. Y1 is negative 4, just from these points here. And now, so that's step 1. Step 2, we need a remark that perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals. So that means that if the slope of one line is a over b, then the slope of the perpendicular line is negative b over a. You have to flip the slope and change the sign. And so for us, the line that we're given has slope 2, which is 2 over 1. So our line has slope negative 1 over 2. Now we're ready to go. It goes y equals y minus negative 4 equals equals, our slope is negative 1/2 times x minus negative 2. And so that goes y plus 4 equals a negative and a negative makes a positive, equals negative 1/2 times x plus 2. And that is the answer to the first part. We'll put that in. Y plus 4 equals negative 1 divided by 2 times x plus 2. We're going to solve for y now to get into slope-intercept form. You know, this has us dealing with fractions, but we're okay with that. Y plus 4 equals, distribute the minus 1/2. It's minus 1/2 x. Half of 2 is 1, and it's negative 1. And we're going to subtract 4 on both sides. Subtracting 4 on both sides takes us to y equals negative 1/2 x minus 5. We'll put that in. Y equals negative 1 divided by 2 x minus 5. I hope it helps. The remaining two are very similar. Hope it helps. Thanks a lot.